Hello everyone, today we are going to be solving chemistry June 2022 paper 1 of the Cameroon GCE advanced level. Let's start with our first question. We have 1.5 hours to do this, so let's get started. The first question is asking, which of the following is not an atomic particle? Keyword here, not an atomic particle. So you know that in atom, okay, this is an atom. This we have the nucleus of the atom. What's in the nucleus? We have the neutron and the proton, and then at the shell we have the electron. Okay, proton, neutron, electron. Those are all the atomic particles. So proton, yes, is an atomic particle. Neutron, yes, an atomic particle. Electron, yes. So the odd one here is C, nucleon. So the answer to question 1 is C. Nucleon is not an atomic particle, but it's a combination of two atomic particles, and those atomic particles are the protons and neutrons. So let's go to question number 2. Which of the following relights a glowing spleen? Under properties of oxygen, we know that it's a gas that relights a glowing spleen. Okay, because in the fireside needs oxygen to glow. That's why people blow air in the fireside. You're blowing in oxygen so that it can blow faster to increase the flame. So answer to number 2 is C. Question number 3. Why is ammonia described as an alkaline gas? A. It turns damp newspaper blue. B. It forms white fumes with concentrated hydrochloric acid. C. It has no effect on litmus paper. D. It contains hydroxide ion. The answer to number 3 is A. It turns damp litmus paper blue. Okay, because litmus paper is a pH indicator that turns blue in basic or alkaline solutions. And guess what? Ammonia is described as alkaline solution because it turns that newspaper blue. So the answer to question number 3 is A. So the answer to question number 3 is A. Question number 4. Identify a fertilizer made from sulfuric acid. We have A. Potassium chloride. It cannot be this because potassium chloride, there is no presence of sulfur here. Take note, sulfuric acid. So let's eliminate. It cannot be potassium nitride. And we are just left with ammonium sulfate and ammonium sulfide. The answer is ammonium sulfate. The answer is B, ammonium sulfate. Okay, because it's a fertilizer produced from sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a key industrial chemical used in various processes, including fertilizer in production. In case of ammonium sulfate, sulfuric acid reacts with ammonia. Alright, sulfuric acid reacts with ammonia to form ammonium sulfate. This is the reaction between sulfuric acid and ammonia in order to produce ammonium sulfate. Take this other. This reaction between ammonia and sulfuric acid in order to produce ammonium sulfate. So the correct answer to question number 4 is B, ammonium sulfate. The answer is B, ammonium sulfate. Question number 5 is asking us, which of the following substances causes hardness in water? We have sodium. We have A, sodium hydrocarbonate. B, sodium carbonate. C, magnesium sulfate. D, potassium sulfate. The answer to question number 5 is, for hardness of water, we know that magnesium sulfate is a substance that causes hardness of water. Why? Okay, why is magnesium sulfate a substance that causes hardness of water? Because the hardness is primarily caused by dissolved salts of calcium and magnesium. Okay, so if you add calcium, you could have said calcium sulfate. So it's either calcium or magnesium that causes hardness of water, but in this case we have magnesium, because magnesium sulfate dissolates in water, releasing magnesium ions which contribute to hardness. So the answer to question number 5 is C. Magnesium sulfate. Why? Because magnesium sulfate, the magnesium ions are released and this will cause water to be hard. Question number 6 is asking us to determine the number of neutrons in an atom with mass number of 35 and atomic number 37 and atomic number 17. So this is our mass number 35 and atomic number 17. We know that mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. And here they've given us our mass number is 35. And then we have atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons and this is 17. So to get the number of neutrons, we'll just be 35 minus 17. We'll get the number of neutrons. 35 minus 17 by the calculator gives us 18. So the correct answer to question number 6 is C, 18. Question number 7. What is the function of chlorine in the treatment of water? The function of chlorine in the treatment of water is what? Is to kill germs. So straightforward. Question number 8. A coin of 1.5 ampere is passed for 1.5 hours, that's 1 hour 30 minutes, during the purification of copper by electrolysis. Which of the following reactions takes place at the anode? So this is the reasoning behind the question. We know that the question asks about the reaction taking place at the anode during electrolysis. Okay, and in electrolysis, the anode is a positively charged electrode. Alright, so during electrolysis, oxidation occurs at the anode, meaning electrons are released from the anode. Okay, and if electrons are released from the anode, then where electrons released, we have copper. This, let me get my marker. We have copper, the equation A. Copper metal loses 2 electrons at the anode. So these electrons are released only at this equation. So the correct answer to question number 8 is A, because electrons are released at the anode. And then calculate the mass of pure copper deposited at the anode. In order to calculate the mass of pure copper deposited at the anode, there's a few things we have to do first. We will have to calculate the total charge used during electrolysis. Okay, and we know that charge is depicted as Q is equal to current times time. And we will calculate the total charge used during electrolysis. We know that we have a current of 1.5 ampere times 1 hour 30 minutes into seconds. What's 1 hour 30 minutes? We need all of this in seconds. So it will give us 5,400 seconds. And then a charge of 1.5 times 5,400 seconds gives a current of 1.5 times 5,400 seconds gives us a charge of 8,100 coulombs. Okay, we know the molar mass of copper. The molar mass of copper is 64 grams. And we know that the Faraday's constant. Faraday's constant? The Faraday's constant is 96,485. Okay, so the number of moles per coulomb, per coulomb is what is charge. It is charge. Number of moles per coulomb is charge divided by Faraday's constant, and that is charge is 81,000 coulombs. 8,100 coulombs divided by 96,485. This gives us 0.084 number of moles per coulomb. And look at this equation. Know that in order to form now 1 mole of copper has lost 2 moles of electrons. Okay, so since 1 mole of copper has lost 2 moles of electrons, this is what happens. We have 2 moles of electron. What is the number of moles per charge? Is 84. We'll divide this by 2. We'll get an answer of 0.042. You know that the molar mass of copper is 64. Molar mass of copper is 64. 64 times 0.042 gives us 2.7 grams. So the correct answer is B. Okay, correct answer to question 9 is B. That's 64 times 0.042. 64 times 0.042. It gives us an answer of 2.67. And this is approximately B, 2.7 grams. Question number 10 is telling us that given the reaction between acetic acid, it's not drawing, given the reaction between acetic acid and sodium carbonate, 2 of some compound, carbon dioxide and water is formed. So now this is an acid. We know this is an acid. We know this is an acid and this is a base. Okay, so the reaction between acetic acid and sodium carbonate. For those of you who are telling your friends about clazgate, clazgate has made special financial support available for you. And in order to get there, you have to register for the referral program. And in order to register for the referral program, just click your profile icon right here, this green icon. You click on it, tap on your username, click on your username so that you can edit your profile settings. This is how the profile dashboard will appear. It appears like this. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to edit profile right here. And when you edit profile, you see some of your user information is available here. But what I want you to notice is this referral code TAPE. What you do is you write something that is unique only to you. Okay, you write your referral code here, and this is what you'll be sharing to your friends so that classgate know that you have shared and you have introduced people to the platform, and they'll give you a special commission based on what they buy or what they sell. Okay, so from here, after you have written your referral code, just update changes, save changes, and that is all you have to do. And when you share the link to classgate, when you share classgate.com, this is what you'll be sharing. You'll be sharing this referral link. This is the link that you're supposed to be sharing to your friends. So I've already copied it. I've copied this link. Okay, copy this link and make sure you copy it. This is how the link looks like. You're seeing the link. classgate.com referrals TAPE. Don't forget, because TAPE was a referral code. And when your friend comes to classgate with this link, okay, and they buy something for the first time, you get 25% of what they have bought. If they sell something for the first time, you get 25% of what they have sold. And you know that those of us at Leonard Academy, all of our courses are 100 francs. So those of you who are sharing our courses to your friends, you're getting 25 francs for each new friend that you sign in. Okay, that's on the first purchase. When they buy a course for the first time, you get 25 francs. Okay, and even the teachers, when they sell a course for the first time, if you introduce a teacher with your referral code and they sell a course for the first time, you get 25% of what they have. So don't forget, only for the first purchase. Okay, and then those of us at Apelonad, it's good. You introduce 100 friends, you get 2,500 francs. Okay, it's that easy. Introduce your friends to classgate, introduce your teachers to classgate, and gain from it, so that you can gain from it. It's not only learning, but let's help some students to at least buy some break food. Okay, that's what we want. We have carbon dioxide, we have water, and then the organic compound that is formed from the reaction between acetic acid. So what happens is that the organic part of the acid, that's this part. Let me use another color. The organic part of the acid, this part of the acid. Oh, why? This part of the acid, use blue, save. So this part of the acid, okay, this part of the acid reacts with sodium from the base to form sodium ethanoate. So the answer to question 10 is D, sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. Question number 11. Two elements M and P have atomic number 12 and 7 respectively. Give the formula of the compound formed between M and P. We know M and P, atomic number 12 and 7 respectively. So for M, we'll have M, the valency or the electronic configuration for atomic number 12, we have 2 electrons on the first shell, we'll have 8 electrons on the second shell, and then 2 electrons on its last shell. And for P is going to have 2 electrons on the first shell and 5 electrons on its last shell. So you can see M has a valency of 2, so it's a metal. And what M does is that it needs to give away 2 in order to become stable. So M has to lose 2 electrons to become stable. So this is the ionic configuration of M, M2 plus. And for P needs 3 electrons, okay. P will need 3 electrons to become stable. So P instead needs 3 electrons to become stable. So ionic configuration of P is P to the power 3 negative, okay, because it needs 3 electrons, one needs to lose 2 electrons, and then these cross each other, this one crosses here, and then we'll finally have M. 3 of M molecules have a covalent bond with how many P molecules? 2 P molecules. So the correct answer is C, M3P2. Answer to question 11 is C. Question number 12. A soil sample has a pH of 4. The soil sample is basic, acidic, neutral, alkaline. So this is a pH scale. pH scale starts from 0 to 14. And then we have 7. 7 is for neutral. Okay. So what happens is that from 6.9 to 0, we have acids. So it's 4 between 6.9 and 0, yes. So the answer is B. If it was something between 7.1 to 14, we would have had a base, but here the pH is 4, and 4 is between 6.9 and 0, so our answer is acidic. And then the hydrocarbon contains 85% of carbon and 43% of hydrogen. Determine the empirical formula of the hydrocarbon. What we have is classgate.com is an online learning platform for both teachers and students. If you want to teach on classgate. Okay, I'm encouraging all teachers, and please tell your teachers that you can support them. Okay, they should record a video of the solutions and you can support them on classgate. Okay, so that the course is there anytime you want and it's available there for you anytime you want. You can always access the solutions and access the course. Even if you're forgotten something, you can always access the course that your teacher has uploaded online. Okay, and you can support them on classgate. Good. So when you come to classgate, the first thing you want to do is you log in. I've told you before, log in with your Google account. For those of you who have Google accounts, super for you. Log in with your Google account. Just log in with your Google account. It's very easy. Log in with your Google account so that you can start enjoying free courses or cheap courses on classgate. It's very easy. A lot of people are doing this. So let's get started. After logging in, search for the course you want to study, and today we're studying mathematics. Okay, everybody's studying maths, so we're doing maths today. We're searching for maths. And now you have all the mathematics courses available. Okay, and it's just 100 francs. Look, we already have one student here, and this course was uploaded today. Okay, and this is paper 1 math statistics 2023 solutions, and this is paper 3 2023 advanced level solution, and this is 2022 paper 3 advanced level solutions. As 100 francs each. Another free courses, we have O level mathematics 2023 GCE solutions paper 1. Okay, so if you want to enjoy the free course, just enroll now. But I've told you, enroll now, okay, and you'll be taken to the classroom and you start enjoying your free course. But I've told you that if the course is paid, the button will be add to cart. You'll see the add to cart button, and let's buy pure maths with statistics paper 1 2023. So I've added this to cart. See, I'm add to cart button. And what you, after adding to cart, you want to click this, you can always click that blue icon that just popped out right there. You can click it to go and pay, or you can also click the card icon. This is the card icon. Click on it. We have clicked the card icon and we are waiting, and yes, see, this is what is in our cart. We have Cameroon GCE 2023 pure maths with statistics paper 1 advanced level solutions MCQs, and it's 100 francs. So the total we're paying is 100 francs, no charges. Just proceed to check out. Click the proceed to check out button like I have done. Proceed to check out. And on the checkout page, you just have to write your mobile money number. Okay, it takes Orange and MTN as for Cameroonians. So you write in your mobile money number. And complete payment. And if you have written the correct Cameroonian number, you see this button turns red. Okay, the gray button is now red, meaning you can pay now. So click on the complete payment button, and we're waiting. We have been given 2 minutes to pay for this course, so let's just wait for the prompt on our phone. So the prompt has already appeared on my phone, and I've dialed my mobile money pin. Okay, I've already approved transaction, so we're just waiting for me to have access to the course. It won't take much time. There, I already have access to the course. See, now payment successful, billing success. If you want the receipt, you can always click here to see the receipt of the course that we have just bought. Okay, and this is the receipt of the course that we have bought. Very good receipt. Let's go here. Successful transfer, payment was successful. And after payment is successful, you want to enter the course. Just see from your profile icon. Okay, from the profile icon, go to enroll courses. And it has appeared on our course list. Okay, enrolled courses. This is what we bought. We bought pure maths with statistics paper 1. we can start the course and start enjoying our MCQ solutions to Maths GCE Paper 1 2023. It will take a while for the course to load, but just click the play icon right here. Our course is loaded. Okay, if you want to use less megabytes, you can always select the quality you prefer, select it here. If you want to speed up the course, let's speed it up by 2 times. Okay, I speed the course up by 2 times, and this is how the course is. Okay, don't forget you can also ask questions. Very important, ask questions, and I want all of you to ask questions. The course instructor will be right there to respond to your queries. Okay, don't forget clazgate.com, educating comfort.